How to send money from Revolut to PayPal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Since there is no any direct way to send money from your Revolut to PayPal, there are this following workaround. So first thing that you can do is you can add a bank account to your PayPal. Ensure it is a traditional bank account linked to your Revolut and not just the Revolut virtual bank account. Then what you need to do is from your PayPal, you can either request money from the linked bank account or you can transfer from your Revolut to your bank. Once a bank has successfully received the fund from your Revolut, then again transfer the fund from your bank to your PayPal. Once the funds are in your bank, you'll be easily able to transfer into your PayPal account. Or you can also use some of the third-party services such as Wise. However, always be aware of any of the potential hidden fees associated with transfer, especially if you are using a third-party service. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.